learning that his PA has been shot dead. Can you please confirm the information for us right now?
Well, absolutely. We see that today already the leader of opposition, who is also likely to be the chief minister of the state, has gone ahead and met the CEO in regards of the post-poll violence that has been taking place. But as the night grows deeper, we are seeing that he has his personal assistant, a long-time colleague of his, Chandranath, he has been shot dead in the Modhamgram area, which is a few kilometers away from Kolkata. And as per sources tell us that he has been shot 3 rounds. A bullet has also hit his head, one in the chest and another in one of his legs. That is the latest that we are getting to understand. The condition that we are getting to understand from the top sources of the cop that he is dead. Likely in Modhamgram, he is already been taken in account of that. But what is next to it? What is going to happen? There are more details that are awaited as this big news come ahead about Chandra, who is one of the closest colleague and a long time PA of the leader of opposition and a likely candidate for the chief minister face in West Bengal of Shubhendu Adhikari.
Very disturbing details coming at this point in time. But Hridita, in any possibility, do we know who were the people who shot at Shubhendu Adhikari's PA?
No, there is no official confirmation as to who or the miscreants who has shot Chandro. But the latest of information that we have that this post-poll violence has begun in Bengal since the counting in Bengal has ended. However, after the continuation of, we have seen BJP state president also taking an account of it and stating that all of this post-poll violence is not supported by BJP and anybody who is doing this post-poll violence will be strictly charged. Today, also the Kolkata Police Commissioner Ajay Nand has held a press conference in regards to this. But soon, today in days time, we see before the swearing ceremony, Chandra was shot dead in Modhamgram. However, there
Right, Hridita, it seems we have lost that connection with my colleague Hridita, who was telling us all the details. Of course, disturbing news coming at this point in time, viewers. This is big breaking news. Shubhendu Adhikari's personal secretary has been shot dead. That is what we are learning according to sources. Of course, this has been confirmed by the Bengal top cop. I've been learning that my colleague Hridita is back on the broadcast here. Hridita, can you tell us what is happening at the moment? Are there any official confirmation, of course, any statement coming in from the top cop? What is the situation right now on the ground?
Well, absolutely. The situation that we understand at this point is there is no official interaction about who were the miscreants behind this crime that has been caused just before the counting, just before the swearing ceremony of the Bharatiya Janata Party, given to understanding the cover cabinet is going to be formed on the 8th of May and 9th. The swearing ceremony is there. At that point, only we see that Chandranath, who has been a long-time colleague of Shubhendu Adhikari, has been shot dead, and he used to stay in this very area of Modhamgram, and at that place only he was shot. But no official confirmation from the top cops. Also, we have been noticing this post-poll violence since the day of the counting. As and when the counting ended in Bengal, we are seeing that there has been an increase of post-poll violence. However, the BJP state president Shamik Bhattacharya had taken an account of this incident, stating that any post-poll violence caused by a BJP member or a worker will not be tolerated. Strict actions are going to be taken, and at the same point, we also see that the CP of the Kolkata has done a press conference today afternoon, noticing this incident, stating that legal actions against any party workers will be taken if any post-poll violence are taking place. Nobody will be spared, and at that time only we see the closest PA of Shubhendu Adhikari, Chandranath, who was a resident of Modhamgram, only has been shot at that place only. However, police has not, or the top cop has not confirmed about the miscreants behind this crime. But likely we are to understand as the interrogation or the investigation in the matter deepens in.
Right, of course, Hridita, as you are mentioning about this very serious development, of course, along with the BJP, of course, the EC also has time and again said that post-poll violence will also not be tolerated. And of course, this is not the first time which we are seeing this kind of tragic post-poll violence. 2 days after the result, of course, West Bengal remains on the edge on post-poll violence. And right now, another serious incident. This is You know, Suvendu Adhikari's top aide, 3 shots fired. He was shot, at his in his chest, head, and leg. And according to the top cop, he has been declared dead.